Hello everyone. In this presentation, we are going to understand the basics of remote procedure call. We call it as RPC in short. So let us understand what is RPC. RPC is a protocol in which a client running on one machine calls a procedure running on another machine. RPC is a powerful technique for constructing distributed client-server based applications. It is based on extending the conventional local procedure calling so that the called procedure need not exist in the same address space as the calling procedure. The two processes may be on the same system or they may be on different systems with a network connecting them. The idea behind RPC is to make a remote procedure call look as much as possible like a local one. So, in this diagram, we are going to understand how basically RPC works. So, in any RPC architecture, we are having 5 components. First one is client, second is server stub, third is client stub, fourth is RPC runtime, and fifth is server. So, for any remote procedure call, what will be the sequence? We will understand in this with this diagram. So, first step is this is client machine and this is server machine. So, in step 1, the client procedure calls the client stub in a like a normal procedure call. So, client is going to call like a normal procedure. Now, the client stub builds a message, pack all the parameters and it will trap to the kernel. Now, the kernel sends the message to the remote kernel. Next, the remote kernel gives the message to the server stub. Now, the server stub unpacks the parameter and call the appropriate server. Now, the server does the work and returns the result to the stub. The server stub packs it in a message and traps to the kernel. Now, the remote kernel sends the message to the client kernel. Now, the client kernel gives the message to the client stub. The stub unpacks the result and returns the result to the client. So, these are the steps when we are going to perform an RPC in any machine. These are the references. Thank you.